Today in this video I'm going to explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A05s. Press and hold the volume down plus power keys simultaneously until the device powers off. Once the device is off, press and hold the volume up plus power buttons together until the recovery mode menu appears on the screen. In recovery mode, use the volume buttons to scroll down and select the wipe data or factory reset option. Press the power key to confirm the selection of wipe data or factory reset. Once promoted, choose the factory data reset option using the same volume and power buttons. After the factory reset process is complete, select Reboot System Now using the power button. Once the device reboots, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Samsung Galaxy A05s as you did when you first purchased it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.